Honorable Alvin Dizon, Honorable Panso Ramirez, and Captain Juan De La Torre, Miss Timmy Aquino, the lovely lady of Benigno Bam Aquino is here with us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear fellow entrepreneurs, good evening. On January 2, 2013, Pope Benedict XVI blesses the faithful during his weekly general audience in the Papal Court at the Vatican. The Pope said, "Building peace needs new model of development. True and lasting success attained through the gift of ourselves, our intellectual abilities, and our entrepreneurial skills." He further said, "We need people, groups, and institutions which will promote life by fostering human creativity in order to draw from the crisis itself an opportunity for discernment and for new economic model." Irish Prince economist Richard Cantillon, who first coined the term entrepreneur in 17th century, is applied to a person who is willing to launch a new venture or enterprise and accept full responsibility for the outcome. An entrepreneur is the one who solves your problem with an uncertain profit. He always ventures something out of nothing. An entrepreneur is not just an investor, nor a silent partner, neither say, "I am into this business because there is nothing better to do." An entrepreneur is a dreamer and visionary, positive-minded and action-oriented, highly motivated person who always take the risk to achieve goals. He's innovative, willing to change, willing to adapt, willing to go against what is current and normal. If he cannot think outside the box, he makes a box. Entrepreneur help grow economy, create unemployment, make possibilities into realities, and has a mindset of nation builder. Micro and small medium entrepreneurs play a vital role in the Philippines economy. MSME account for 99.6% of the total business enterprise registered in the country. It provides 70% of the total labor force and contribute 40% to the national economy. MSME account for 25% of the country's total revenue export. It is also estimated that 60% of all exporters in the country belong to SME. MSMEs are able to contribute in export through subcontracting arrangement with large companies or suppliers to exporting companies. Last year, we met Richard Eldridge, the founder of Lindo.com, an online community lending company funded by Facebook, AB, and PayPal. He said to us, he chose the Philippines to invest because in the next 10 years, Philippines will be the highest in economic growth in the world with a forecast of 7 to 10% GDP growth. And by the year 2025 to 2050, the Philippines become one of the top 20 world economy. Now, first time ever that the Philippines is in the top 50% of the world ranking. 65 out of 144 countries in 2012 Global Competitiveness Ranking. According to World Economic Forum, the Philippines registered the improvement of the following areas: institutions, infrastructures, macroeconomic environment, higher educations and trainings, good market efficiency, readiness, market size, business sophistications, and innovations. And these are our data from the Philippine economics update. So, at least makita next please. So these are the economic performance. So makita na to ang growth din ha. The next. So these are the sectoral growth, emerging sectoral growth. Makita ninyo ug asa nga business ang inyong angay nga sudlan for the next coming years. So agriculture and mining, quarrying, manufacturing, food manufacturing, electrical machineries, constructions is one of the highest. Kita nimo building left and right, condominium left and right ang construction. So kita nimo 14%. Electricity, transportation and communication, trade, financial services, real estate and business services, and other services. Next please. So these are the economic drivers. Makita nimo na din ha, 11% ang growth sa spending sa Philippines. 7.1 trillion pesos ang spending sa consumer spending sa tibuok Pilipinas. So mostly, and then ang income, kita nimo ang arrow is going up, no? And remittances of the OFWs 11%, and business process outsourcing, mga call centers going up. So these are the indicators of where asa mo paingon unsa nga target market sa iyong business. So my dear fellow entrepreneurs and awardees, this is your most important night in your business life. You deserve it. Treasure it. As if nobody recognizes you, this very stressful business environment. Remember this. Only opportunity is where you find it, not where it finds you. Never stop growing. It's just the pace of growth that changes. The next one must be better than the last one. Make the last one obsolete. A business lesson by Henry C. In behalf of Business Achievements and Recognition Award, BARA, I welcome you and congratulations. May God continue to bless us all. Thank you.